Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day, and today I'm going to show you how to make a morning drink that'll help cleanse you. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. This is going to be a really short video, and I'm going to give you a recipe you're going to love. Very few ingredients. That's my favorite. Very easy to make. That's my second favorite. Let me show you all you need. You're going to have one whole lemon. You're going to have a piece of ginger, a little bit of the Bragg's all natural and organic apple cider vinegar, and I'm using my NutriBullet. You can use any blender you want. So let me show you how you do it. The first thing you do is you're going to put a little bit of water in here. Later on, if you want to make it thinner, you can add more water, but for now you're just going to put a little bit of water because the less contents you have, it'll mix better. It'll give you a base that you can work with. Make sure that all of your ingredients are thoroughly washed because you're going to toss them in the blender without peeling them. So here we go. You just need a very little bit. So just cut a little bit like this, and that's all you're going to need. That's all you need. Now we're going to cut from the lemon this tip off, and we're going to cut this tip off and quarter the lemon. There's our piece of ginger. Throw it in. Here's our lemon quartered, or lime. Throw it in. And then we add a little bit of this. Shake it first. And I would say you're adding perhaps 1 tablespoonful or 2. Now you know that I love my NutriBullet, okay? But you can use any blender. So I close this well, put it on my machine, and let it do its work. So you let it go through a full cycle, and look at how frothy it comes out. It really looks delicious. Now, I don't put any sugar in it. If you were to drink it like this, it would be a bit bitter. So if you don't mind, like me, I don't mind. I just drink it like this, but I do dilute it. So what I do is that I put it into my handy dandy water bottle, which you all know that I love because it has those increments of time, so it makes me stay on a schedule of drinking water. So look at that, how frothy it is. Now what I'm going to be doing is putting ice in this and putting water in it. We're done. Look, it's got my ice in it and I'm good to go. This is what I'm going to be drinking throughout the day. Instead of water, it's going to be my, I don't know, what shall I call it? It's really a nice and refreshing and healthy drink. But that name is too long, so I don't know, I'll think of something. But in the meantime, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. But more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.